If your car feels unstable or pulls to one side while driving, the control arm might be the problem. In this video, we'll explain what a control arm is, how it works, and the signs you should never ignore. What is a control arm? A control arm is a key suspension component that connects your car's wheels to the chassis. It allows the wheel to move up and down smoothly while keeping the vehicle stable and controlled. How does it work? A control arm consists of two major parts: the metal arm itself, bushings, and the ball joint. The bushings absorb vibrations, while the ball joint gives the wheel flexibility during steering and bumps. Together, they ensure a smooth and safe driving experience. Common symptoms of a bad control arm. 1. Clunking or knocking sound. When driving over bumps, you may hear a thud or clunk, a big warning sign. 2. Car pulling to one side. If the car drifts left or right, the control arm or its bushings may be worn out. 3. Uneven tyre wear. One side of the tyre wearing faster is a classic sign of bad bushings. 4. Steering wheel vibration. You'll feel shaking, especially while braking or driving at high speeds. 5. Poor wheel alignment. A bent control arm makes it impossible for your car to stay straight. Why control arms fail? Control arms get damaged due to poor road conditions, potholes, rust, age, accidents, or worn-out bushings. Once the arm bends or the bushings fail, replacement becomes necessary. Is it safe to drive with a bad control arm? The short answer is no. A bad control arm makes your car unsafe. Steering becomes unpredictable, alignment shifts, and suspension can completely fail. How easy is replacement? Replacing a control arm is usually simple and takes around 30 to 45 minutes with basic tools. Once replaced, your car will feel more stable, safer, and smoother. Why choose D2P control arms? At D2P Auto Parts, you get high-quality bushings, strong, durable metal arms, perfect OEM fit, affordable pricing, fast UK delivery, trusted aftermarket performance. Final recommendation. Control arms may seem like a small component, but they play a major role in your car's safety. If you notice noise, vibration, pulling, or uneven tyre wear, get your control arm checked immediately. Thanks for watching. For high-quality suspension parts, visit D2P Auto Parts. Drive safe, stay smooth.